The sum of the ages of 4 members of a family 5 years ago was 94 years. Today, when the daughter has been married off and replaced with daughter-in-law, the sum of their ages is 92. This is. Assuming that there has been no other changes in the family structure and all the people are alive, what is the difference in the ages of the daughter and the daughter-in-law? Okay, so let's see what the question is trying to tell us. There is a family of 4 members. Okay, so let the members be x1, x2, x3 and x4. So these are the members, 4 members of the family, and the sum of their ages 5 years ago was 94 years. So 5 years ago, sum of their ages, so x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 was 94. Okay, today when the daughter-in-law has, okay, so first of all this is 5 years ago, so let's see what is the sum of their ages today. Okay, so now what is the sum of their ages today? X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 will be what? We know that 5 years ago it was 94, but now in this 5 years all of their ages must have increased by 5, right? So x1 must have increased by 5, 5. So we add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20 years. Okay, so we get the sum of their ages today, which is 94 plus 20 is equals to 114. All right, this much is clear. Now let's see what the question is trying to tell us. Today, when the daughter has been married off and replaced with daughter-in-law, the sum of their ages is 92. Now let's say this x4 is the daughter. Okay, this x4 is the daughter, and now this daughter is replaced with daughter-in-law, and the sum of their ages is 92. So we get x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus this x4, which is daughter, is now replaced with daughter-in-law, and the sum of their ages is 92. Assuming that there has been no other changes in the family structure and all the people are alive, what is the difference in the ages of the daughter and daughter-in-law? So we have to find out the difference between the ages of daughter and daughter-in-law. This is simple. All we have to do is, now I'll just write it here, this is 114. So if this is equation 1, this is equation 2, all we have to do is subtract equation 2 by equation 1. So we get minus. Okay, x1 got cancelled, plus minus cancelled, plus minus cancelled. So here x4, which is daughter, minus this daughter-in-law, will give us 114 minus 92, which is 22 years, and this is our required answer. So here option A is the correct one.